Yan. Close road as of this time, September 7, 1 p.m. Ito yung Victory na hindi nakalusot. Close road. Bus 834 Minalas, hindi nakatawid. From Barangay Plaza of Caral, nandito kami sa may Baton Lapok Curve. Ayan, atras. Ayun, tingnan natin kung anong ang araw ang ano nito, biyahe. Alalay, chairman, alalay. Hoy, bus 834 Sampaloc. Ayan, balik. Close road.